Oh look, Victoria's Secret.
So far.
So who would like to tell subscribers what's going on here? I think
So we're here.
I think that's the main attraction.
I forgot the name of the place.
Bodega Bay.
Yeah. So right now we're trying to look for a place to eat because we're hungry.
There's always sneezing in these vlogs. Probably not wearing the proper shoes for this. My mom is cold,
It smells good.
so she's using my death cap blanket.
It's called death cap because it's so soft. You could like fall asleep so fast. It's like death.
Right. Hello, Mo.
It's not though.
He wants to leave this place too.
Like it just started to melt. Oh my god. I'm scared. Wow, look at this seagull. What happens if it like hits head against the window?
Like the Windex commercial?
Yeah, the Windex commercial.
So we're at the mall. We were kidding about that other place being Victoria's Secret. We're here and we're looking for the actual Victoria's Secret. Our Bath and Body Works. And Marcy sprinting over because this is her first coupon ever.
Wait, what can I buy with my coupons?
We want to get this for Marcy.
But it's $25.
What do you think? $25! 25! Put it back! We can't afford the fun box. So I made a purchase at Vicky's. We got some Delios, so did Vladdy.
Some really good
And
deals.
so did Julie. We're staying at the Hilton Hotel, and our number is 2215.
Wow, this is pretty big.
And the other room leads here.
This is our room. Let's show you the view of a tree. Hello, tree.
Oh my god, we're gonna have it's gonna come down to that then.
You're a size 6 pony?
Yeah. Why? Are you calling me Bigfoot?
Huh?
Are you saying I'm Bigfoot?
Maybe small foot. Mine are hers are a 10. 8.
10!
No, an 8.
The door from the bathroom does not lock, by the way.
Great.
I tried and I was ready to shit in my pants.
Somehow we ended up at BJ's, even though we already have one where we live, but there are not very many places to choose from. Alright, don't smack me. Don't smack me.
We forgot to vlog our food.
Because we were too
Hungry.
we were too what?
We were too hungry. We were boulders and we were just so hungry that we just started eating as soon as we got it.
And well,
This is all morning.
if you subscribers want some leftovers, we asked for some bell peppers and onions on
Comment
the
in the
side.
description.
We thought they were going to be
Box below.
grilled, but they're not.
Okay, so we have a plan. So Marcy says that she doesn't want us to ask the guys behind us if they're going to prom.
Is it showing?
There's just like a bunch of guys out there.
What do you guys think? Are they going to prom with no date? Here are their dates.
No. So when the Pazuki comes, we're gonna ask him so that she runs away and more Pazuki for us.
That is not true. Our
Pazuki has arrived. Alright, subscribers, as you can see, we demolished the Pazuki and we would like to show you our record time.
So I took this picture at 5:55, as you can see at the top. And about 2 minutes ago, I looked at the clock and it was 5:58. So we demolished the Pazuki in 2 minutes.
Alright guys, we just finished eating. We were gonna film in front of BJ's, but this lady was like, oh my god, can you not film me in the background? So
She said that?
yes!
Really?
Yeah! Oh no! She was like, ah!
Oh yeah, we found out that people are going to prom.
Oh yeah! So when we were leaving BJ's, Clarissa here said, oh, have fun at prom, guys, and they all said, oh, thank you. So that means they were going to prom. We thought maybe they were going to a bar mitzvah or something. We were wrong. But now we're just waiting for our parents.
Oh, they're right there!
Let's go! I've always wanted to win one of those bananas. Always.
Super good.
We're not saying goodnight yet. Oh, shit. Alright, I guess we're saying goodnight without her.
No!
Good night, vlog.
Good night, vloggers. I mean, wait, we're the vloggers.
Subscribers.
Hey guys, we're back at the hotel. And now we're going to sit back, relax in our PJs, watch
some
Friends, and
who
then
does not love
go to bed. Oh, and filter and edit our photos for Instagram.
And I'm the one that took the pictures.
Thanks to Marcy, our new photographer.
Yep.
We should have a little slogan at the end that's like, this is another vlog of the Mo's taking on the Bay Area or something like that.
Monsalon, shop for prom. See you later, guys.
Bye.
See you in the morning. We're here because our moms told us the only way we could get dessert is if we exercise. All right, I'm pooped.
Already?
I'm just kidding. Look at, there's animals. Look.
I thought you said look at Joe's body surfing.
Maybe we can ride one of them. So we stopped at a little stand
Outside of a church.
outside of a church and we got some food.
Marcy, what'd you get?
I got pork tamale and it's really good. And I finished like
Almost the whole thing.
Yeah.
How about you?
Well, I had a corn on the cob with mayonnaise and cheese.
I got the same thing except I got it in a bowl with mayonnaise and cheese. Of course, a Coke with a pink straw
And for me, I got
A Sprite.
for me.
and some green salsa verde chips, some wheels, and then we're just waiting on a couple of quesadillas. They're making them right
They're
now.
waiting for-
So we're in where? Tiburon. I got
Half the size.
cookies and cream gelato.
I got the same thing, the cookies and cream gelato. It's really good.
How about you, Julie?
I got raspberry sorbet.
And Gladys also got cookies and cream, but she's over there fighting the worker. So that's
Oh my
scary.
god.
In the background.
I was like, I thought it was a sheep.
So we'll start off with what I bought. All I bought was this olive green jacket from Victoria's Secret.
I got the same jacket, but in pink, but it has love pink on
It's
the
the
back.
same as my jacket, except it says love pink on the back. Mine doesn't say that. It only says pink on the front.
Yeah,
And it looks
they were $46.95.
$46.95. Oh!
Okay.
Ah! We got an appearance on our vlog! Show us your shirt. I see you covered it up. Love you a latte. The graduating class of 2017.
Congratulations.
Do it, and shake it, and shake it.
Okay, so I bought 2 bralettes, 2 for $25. Front. The back.
And it's super cute.
It is. And I got it in lavender. Well, it was either lavender or royal blue, and I decided to go with lavender.
Good choice.
All right, we saved the best for last. Marcy spent every dime to her name.
Okay, you wanna
show the subscribers what you bought. Marcy, honestly, I think you spent too much, and I think you might have to return some of that stuff.
You are. This is what I bought. I bought Bath and Body Works lotion.
Or you got for free.
Oh, for free.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You guys have a fun time on this trip. Yeah. Best and worst part. Worst part.
Bidet.
Best part. Shopping.
Vicky's.
Shopping and carnival. I know we said that our next
registration code
vlog would be in Disneyland, but
We had a change of plans, so
we just wanted to say thank you for watching.
thank you.
And like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our vlog in Disneyland.
And this time we mean it.
Well, see you later, guys.
Bye. Signing out from the Mo Source. Sayonara.
Sayonara.